Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome back to my channel. Now today is just going to be an announcement video, but you know, before anything happens, just chill, stay right there for a second. I'm going to be announcing two things, okay? The first one is a crochet along that my sisters and I are hosting, and the second one is a giveaway, so you may want to stay for that at least, okay? Okay, so first, the crochet along. My sisters and I have decided to host a crochet along for the month of October. We will be using my pattern that I've written, the Rusty High Neck pattern. Let me show you the sweater that we'll be creating. It is this sweater right here. If you guys watched my crocheting a sweater using knitting yarn, I used Knitting for Olives mohair and merino paired together to make this high neck sweater. As you can see, it's called the Rusty High Neck because of its color and because it has a high neck. And I'll just show you the back, the front, like that. And that is the sweater that we will be creating. So yes, I'll be making another version of the sweater using totally different yarn. I'm going to be using a hand-dyed yarn paired with mohair, a fingering weight yarn. So if you don't know, Knitting for Olives merino is a fingering weight yarn and I paired it with its mohair, but this pattern is made to measure, which means anybody and everybody of all sizes will be able to create this look. So it doesn't matter what size you are, it doesn't matter what yarn you use as well. So I know I use fingering weight yarn with mohair. Some people don't like mohair, some people don't like fingering weight yarn. If you have DK weight, chunky weight, Aran weight, it doesn't matter what yarn you use, you'll be able to create this sweater. Now, a lot of people have already gotten the pattern because I announced it in my Discord. My sister announced it in her Discord. So people have already been preparing for this. They have so many versions of fingering weight yarns and worsted weight yarns, and it's just so exciting. I love that. But here on YouTube, I didn't announce it for you guys. So here it is. If you want to participate in this crochet along, then go ahead and get the pattern down below in the description box and get your yarn. Whatever yarn you have is fine. If you want to go out and get some more yarn, that is totally fine. If you're not able to participate the moment October starts, that is fine. This is a crochet along that will be going on for the entire month of October. So whether you get it October 1st or October 21st, it doesn't matter. As long as you start it in October, that's all that matters to me, because I want to see all of you guys works in progress. I want to show you guys my work in progress as I'm making it, and it's just going to be such a fun thing to do as a community. Now, if you already have one of my patterns, like the mohair sweater pattern, you can definitely use that pattern to create this sweater as well. You'll just have to make some adjustments with like the collar and stuff, since that pattern is like a folded rib and this one is just a very high neck. Either way, oh, also, if you don't know what a crochet along is, it's literally just you getting a pattern and then crocheting it along with other people who are crocheting. So there is no special thing you need to do or need to know. You just need to get the yarn, get the pattern, and then crochet. And if you want to show people your progress, then definitely join my Discord server down below, because I have an entire section just for this October crochet along, so that we can all share our progress and ask questions. If you have questions about the pattern, if you have questions about certain yarn to use, you can ask it there and I will be more than happy to answer all of your questions. So I think that is it for the announcements. Let me just show the sweater again, because like I just love this sweater so much. It's so soft and it's such a nice fall winter sweater, especially with the high neck. Oh, also, you can make any adjustments you need. If you don't want it to be so high, I know a lot of people don't like stuff on their necks. Don't make it as high and it will still turn out just as great, okay? But like I said, if you have any questions about adjusting the pattern, adjusting measurements, anything, just let me know down below or let me know in my Discord server and I will answer it for you guys. Now, for the second half of this video, I just want to thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers. That is insane. I haven't even had this channel for a year yet, and you guys have definitely blown my goals out of the park, okay? I am just so thankful for you guys, so grateful that you want to watch me crochet and now knit. Like, I never thought that was a thing, and I didn't think it was possible, but apparently it is, and I just want to thank you guys. So, as my thanks to you guys, I'm doing a giveaway. One lucky winner will be able to win. Let me grab it. This hand-dyed yarn. It is yarn that I bought from Explore Knits and Fibers. So this isn't like a sponsored anything. I bought this with my own money, and I was like, what is something that I can give? Like, saying thanks is great, but like, I want to give something to you guys as well. And I was like, oh my gosh, I can give them a sweater quantity of yarn. This is 400 yards per 100 grams, 80% superwash merino wool, 20% nylon, and it is called Winter Hearth. So this total together is 1,200 yards. It is a sweater quantity for some people, and it can also be a cardigan quantity, a sweater vest, so many things you can do. You'll be receiving, the person who wins will be receiving all 3 of these yarns to make whatever they want to make. Now, here are the rules to enter this giveaway. The first thing you guys will need to do is subscribe to me, of course, and to my 2 sisters, Crochet with Kay and Mr. Bobvin. I will link their channels down below so that you guys can go ahead and subscribe to them. The next few things you'll need to do: comment what your favorite yarn fiber is, what country you're from, and also your Instagram handle if you have one, so that I can get in contact with you on there if you win. If you don't have Instagram, that is totally fine. That's like not a rule, but it's just something extra to help me out so that I can contact you guys easily. But yes, definitely comment what your favorite yarn fiber is and what country you are from, because I'd like to know where you guys are from, where you're watching me from. This is open worldwide, so it doesn't matter what country you're from, you will have a chance to win this yarn. This isn't a rule or anything, but let me know what you would make with this yarn if you won it. For me, I would totally make a sweater because I'm obsessed with sweaters, but who knows, you may think of something else that I won't think of, and I would really love to know. So those are the rules. Subscribe to me and my sisters, and also comment below your favorite yarn fiber and where you're from. And if you have an Instagram, comment your Instagram in that same message so that I can know who you are and be able to contact you easily. But like I said, if you don't have Instagram, it is totally fine. I will find a way to contact you. Okay, so I believe that is all for this announcement video. The crochet along, the pattern is down below in the description box for you to get so that you can be able to participate in it. The giveaway will be open until September 30th. So September 30th is the last day to enter, and October 1st is when I will announce the winner. So you have like a week and some change to be able to enter this giveaway. And also you have enough time to get the yarn that you'll need. Like I said, you do not have to use the exact yarn that I used for this pattern. You can use whatever yarn you want, whatever yarn weight, whatever color, it does not matter. Choose what you want to choose, and join my Discord down below so that we can all share our progress and I can see what colors you guys are using, the yarn you're using, and I'm just so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that whoever wins this yarn loves it as much as I love it. It is hand-dyed yarn. You guys know I'm obsessed with hand-dyed yarn. This is one of a kind, okay? You can't get this anywhere else, and it's not even on her site anymore. So if you get this yarn, just know that you are very special, okay? And remember to follow me on Instagram so that you keep up with all of the updates that I have, because I post everything on my Instagram. And good luck to all of you who want to join the giveaway, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye!